Hi, Clay. Oh, goodness. What's up, Low Gang? What's pop? I'm just kidding. Who? Low Gang? Low Gang? Logan Paul. I'm not going to put that in there. Today, I really didn't have anything planned. It's still cold. You can see the weather outside. I'm not driving right now, by the way. There's no steering wheel right here. I'm keeping you out of the picture right now. I gotta build up the suspense of what we're doing. Yeah. Okay, so today I really didn't have anything planned. Kids were taking a nap. I just laid them down, and then my brother called me and he said that, well, he kind of asked me. He goes, "Hey, do you want to come do this with us today?" And I thought that was a perfect opportunity for us to do something besides sit in the house because the weather's kind of crappy. Right now, I don't have a car, so he said he'll come pick me up. So right now we have, hey, what's up, Mr. Joshua. We got Kalea, Levi, and we got Trenton. And it's a tight fit back there. But we got them all in there. They're all strapped in. We're going to a trampoline park right now. We're gonna see what we get ourselves into, and we're gonna have some fun. Right, Trent? You gonna jump on a trampoline? What are you gonna do? You gonna do a backflip? Your headband is crazy. Like pulled all her hair up in the back. Daddy, what? I did a backflip on the trampoline. You're gonna do a backflip on the trampoline? No, I don't want to do it on the ground. Oh, you want to do it? Hey, you know what? You know what? I used to actually be able to do a standing tuck, and I was working on a standing full, and then I had a trampoline that I bought myself, put it in the backyard, and I was doing a backflip, and I was like on 6 or 7 or something like that. Just wasn't paying attention, hit the front springs in front of me, shot backwards over a fence onto a sidewalk, and ever since then I really have not flipped on a trampoline. So I was actually thinking after Josh called me today about this, I want to get my backflip back. So if I can get a backflip today, I would be extremely happy because I have not done one in a long time, and I have missed that. I've missed that. It was always a dream to get it done. I finally got it done where I can stand on the ground and do a backflip, but I miss it. I want to get it done. So we'll see if we can get that done today. But I have 2 kids. See if I can get it done. Thank you, Kalea. Yeah. It's a big old net like Pops is, right? Alright, so be prepared because I'm about to be covered in sweat and having a good time. We are here. They are chilling behind me. So Trenton, this is trampolines. You know, like Pops has a trampoline? This is a bunch of them. Trampolines everywhere. What do you think? What do you think? Are you gonna have some fun? Yeah. Kalea, you're excited. You want to go in there, don't you? We need to fix your headband again. We're gonna put these amazing socks on, and we will be right back. Ready? Now do like a kick. Ready? Woo! All right. We all have our awesome socks on. Do you have awesome socks? Yes. Awesome. All right, go in and get a ball. Trenton, go jump off of this. This place says infants and younger. I don't know how that's possible. This is like... This looks pretty advanced. It's like American Ninja Warrior. Yeah, this is like alpha American Ninja Warrior stuff. It's incredible. Oh, Levi's doing it. Levi's doing it. I'm gonna see if I can get him into some action. Come on, sweetie. Yes, we're under them all. Yay! Focus on the rocks, because your hands need to grab more than your feet. See what you got. Yeah, it's pretty sketch. It's like a solid wall, you know. You went harder than I did.
I went for it, but and I don't know if it's meant to be that way.
Good job! You hit the water. Like going from this, which is plate hanging from a chain, onto that. I mean, that's a good 4 foot. It's a good 4 foot gap between the plate glass you're jumping from and that little swivel thing with 2 ropes. It doesn't quite seem like those go together. Ready? Swing with power. Oh no!
There it is.
We're over there jumping on the pad and everything, and the kids just like the cones, which is fine with me. Oh, took him out! Oh no! She's like a rock. She can't be knocked down. Throw it! Whoa! I'm gonna try to place you up in this corner. Oh no, I got an audience. Whoa! That didn't work. That's good enough. Watch it, have fun. Hi, Claire. Oh, goodness. She's just, oh, goodness, Levi. Oh, my gosh. I'm getting attacked. I'm getting attacked. Everybody's against me. Everybody's against me. Oh, no. I finally got some ammo. I got some ammo. I got some ammo. Ah. Oh, no. Ah. Ah. Oh, God, for the count. Ah. Oh. Oh, damn. I love you, girl.
That was fun.
Oh, it's so dirty. It's not in my mouth. All right, it's time for a water break. Look, everybody, show me your water bottles. Show me your water bottles.
I'm done.
Oh, you're done? Are you done? For real? Did you fill it? Did you fill up already?
Yeah.
Kalea, what kind of water did you bring? Is it good water? Yeah. Is it good for you? Trinity, this is basically a water PSA, right? It's like, hey, stay hydrated, right? Can you tell the camera that? Can you say, stay hydrated? Hey, so one of the workers came around and basically gave us a huge compliment. Said our families are so cute. She's been watching us ever since we bought our tickets and came in here, and just thinks that we're the perfect family. I don't know if she thinks that we. I have no idea, but
we have the same last name, so
yeah. So I don't know.
Levi wants to get some action shots.
Hey!
This is just as fun as the kids are having. I'm having just as fun, just as much fun as the kids are having.
Nothing wrong with that, man. The lighter side of life right here.
Heck yeah. And they're all on the ground. That was awesome. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come get me, come get me, come get me, come get me. Hey! Woo! Oh.
Yeah, why did you get it? Move!
Oh, I didn't race you? Okay, I'll race you now.
2, 1, go!
Go! Whoa! Ooh. Are we going back? Ah! Oh no! Oh no, you wiped out.
I jump from here.
Yeah! Well, his legs are twice as short as yours, so yeah.
Ready?
Oh, you're gonna do it. You're doing it at his height. Oh, nice.
Dad, did you see that?
Dude, did you see Uncle Jesse?
Attention over there. Yes, the time.
Ready? Watch out, sweetie.
Ready?
Watch out, Kalea.
Right here. You have an obstacle in your way.
3, 2, 1, go!
Go, 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 Trent!
You can do it. You just go right in the middle. There you go.
There you go, climb, climb, climb! Oh, Levi won! It's all right, bud.
Go, 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 go.
Keep going, you got it! You got it! There you go. See what's up too.
You wanna?
There we go.
Kalea. Yeah. Is your elbow hurting you still?
Let's check out this injury.
Oh,
Check this out.
Man, you really took one for the team.
All right, let's check this out. Whoa!
Looks like a tiger attacked you.
Look at that. Look at that.
Did you get?
Hey, you're holding it like a champ, though. Holding it like a champ. You take off. Where's Kalea? Kalea took off.
She's hitting the buzzer.
And done. This was such a perfect day to come to that place. I'll give you a little sneak peek. I like supporting local places, so I'm just gonna tell you. It is Urban Air Trampoline and Adventure Park. I don't care about getting, I mean, it would be nice to be sponsored by people to support this channel and stuff, but it was a fun place. It was a fun place. And surprisingly enough, the person that checked us in recognized my last name and was like, wait a second, you're married to Wendy. I was like, yeah. She was like, I've known her since like we were, I don't know, 15 years old. That is correct.
Like it, gone to our house. Sugar. There's car gets in it.
I started to talk.
What's in it?
I-
What's in it?
I started to talk to you guys, and then Trenton started talking. Now we are gonna go home. So I want to say thank you guys for joining us today. Did you guys have fun at the trampoline park?
Yeah.
You did? Yeah.
I did trampolines.
You did? And did you have fun with Levi?
Yeah.
Awesome, buddy.
And it was fun at the
Kalea wants to tell you a story. Go ahead. Oh, and Peyton wants to tell you a story too. All right, so I pulled over real quick, but Peyton is probably gonna start crying a little bit. If I drive around, she stays quiet, stays asleep. But if you stop at a red light or stop anywhere, she gets a little fussy and she doesn't like sitting still, especially when she's strapped to the car seat and can't wiggle around or move. So I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna say goodnight, and I'm gonna thank you guys for hanging out with us, for coming along with this crazy adventure, just watching, making views, making likes. Like the video if you like all of this action that we had with the kiddos today. So there's more where that came from. Josh and I talked a little bit, and we're gonna get some more stuff going on here in the future. And I just want to say thank you guys. She's wanting. I need to start driving. Here you go, Peyton. Let's go. There. Here you go, sweetie. She's crying. You want music?
Yeah.
All right, give me a minute. All right, so I'm gonna call it quits. Thank you guys for watching. Greatly appreciate it. Can you guys say bye? Bye. Bye. You'll see me when you see me.
And I'm feeling good.